when your comfort is on the line. Trust Colorado Bear Heating and Air for all your HVAC repair needs. Our skilled technicians are ready to tackle any issue to keep your heating and cooling systems running smoothly. With Colorado Bear Heating and Air, you'll get top-notch repairs, honest advice, and a commitment to getting your system back to peak performance. Don't let a faulty HVAC system disrupt your comfort. For dependable HVAC repair, choose us. Call us today to schedule your repair. Your comfort is our top priority.